everybody, how are you doing? I hope your day is going well. Good afternoon, good evening, good night, depending on your geolocation. It's your man Michael Armstrong, and we are here with the $37 account balance to trade with our AI power trading board. But before we continue, I'd like to remind you to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscription button below this video. Make sure you like this video as well by hitting the like button. Check the description, there's gonna be a link for you to join our free Telegram channel with VIP services. You get to copy our signals, you get access to free signals as well. You copy our trades, you get access to our AI power trading board on our screen as our AI product. You also have access to be notified whenever we are going for our live stream. Do well and hit up that link, it's there for you in the comment section as well. Alright, hitting the market coin OTC. That's gonna be our first trade for today. Toncoin OTC, $37 on the line on 30 seconds. Let's go ahead and ask our trading board what the prediction is gonna be for Toncoin OTC. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Toncoin OTC on 30 seconds. What is it gonna be? And ladies and gentlemen, on 30 seconds, Toncoin OTC, it is gonna be a buy. Let's go ahead and execute a buy order for this trade. We're gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna play out, ladies and gentlemen. Is this gonna be a win for us? We are about to find out, ladies and gentlemen. 23 seconds left on the timer. Predicted by our AI power trading board, this is said to be a highly volatile trade. Success probability is said to be high. Is this gonna be another win for us? We are about to find out, ladies and gentlemen. 30 seconds left on the timer. The sellers are dragging down the market, the buyers are putting up a fight. Is this gonna be our first win for today? Yes, we are almost there, ladies and gentlemen, and we have just secured our first win for today. Nice and smooth. Let's go ahead and hit the market with our next trade with Bitcoin ETF OTC. 30 seconds, $68 on the line. Let's go ahead and hit the market with our second trade for today, ladies and gentlemen. Bitcoin ETF OTC on 30 seconds. What the prediction is gonna be? It is gonna be a sell. We're gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna play out, people. Is looking, yes, like a bearish market. Selling, ladies and gentlemen. Volatility level predicted by our AI power trading board to be strong. Success probability said to be high. 30 seconds sell, and yes, the sellers are dragging us down. It is looking good, ladies and gentlemen. This is our second trade for this session, and it is looking good. 9 seconds left on the timer, ladies and gentlemen. We're about to log in our second win for today and catapult ourselves higher. 2 seconds left. 1, and here we go, people. $130 secured, and we are cruising high in this market. Let's go ahead and hit the market with our next trade on Bitcoin OTC. Asking our trading board what the prediction is gonna be for cryptocurrency Bitcoin OTC. Ladies and gentlemen, for 30 seconds, it is gonna be another sell. We're gonna go ahead and execute a sell order for this trade. Holding on tight, people. It is a slow market looking here, consolidating, but we're gonna assume and hope this is gonna be a sell, because predicted by our AI power trading board, this is said to be strong volatility level trade. Success probability is said to be high. All right, 30 seconds sell. Holding on tight to see how this is gonna play out, ladies and gentlemen. 10 seconds left and waiting, ladies and gentlemen. We have 7 seconds left. $130 on the line. 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1, and here we go, people. Yes, $250 mark. We just secured another win, ladies and gentlemen. Let's go ahead and hit the market with our next trade, which is gonna be on BNB OTC. BNB OTC maximum account balance risks. We're risking $250 for this trade. Let's go ahead and ask our trading board what the prediction is gonna be for BNB OTC. Let's go ahead and click our cryptocurrency BNB OTC, ladies and gentlemen. For 30 seconds, it is gonna be a sell. Let's go ahead and get a sell order for this trade. We're gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna turn out to be, people. Predicted by our AI power trading board to be a 30-second sell. Highly volatile. Success probability is said to be high. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna wait and hold on tight to see how it's gonna play out, people. 15 seconds left on the timer. The buyers are pulling up, sellers dragging us down. Is this gonna be our next win? We are about to find out. 7 seconds left on the timer. 6 seconds, the sellers are dragging us down. Yes, it is looking good. 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1, and here we go, people. Yes, that is another win. $481 mark, and we are cruising high, ladies and gentlemen. Dogecoin OTC, that is gonna be our next trade. $481 on the line, ladies and gentlemen. 30 seconds trade. Let's go ahead and ask our trading board what the prediction is gonna be for this particular trade. Cryptocurrency, and we are looking for Dogecoin OTC. And ladies and gentlemen, on 30 seconds, what is it gonna be? It is going to be a buy. Let's go ahead and execute a buy order for this trade. We're gonna hold on tight and see how this is gonna play out, ladies and gentlemen. AI power trading board predicting this to be a buy on 30 seconds. Volatility level said to be strong, success probability said to be high. The sellers gave us a little drag down. We're gonna hope the buyers are gonna pull us up to secure our next win in this session. Yes, the buyers are dragging us up, ladies and gentlemen. 9 seconds left on the timer and we are almost there. Are we gonna secure our next win? We are almost there, ladies and gentlemen. 2 seconds left, one, and here we go, people. Yes, $925, and we are cruising hard in this market, people. About to hit the $1,000 mark. Let's go ahead and hit the market with our next trade, which is going to be on Litecoin OTC. Setting my risks on maximum as usual. 30 seconds trade. Ladies and gentlemen, we are cruising high in the market. Thanks to our AI powered trading board, we're securing back-to-back wins. 100% accuracy. We scaled this account from $37 and we're heading to 1,000 now. All right, Litecoin OTC on 30 seconds. It is going to be a sell. Let's go ahead and execute a sell order for this trade. We're gonna hold on tight, people, and see how this is gonna play out. 26 seconds left on the timer. Predicted by our AI powered trading board to be a sell. 30 seconds. Ladies and gentlemen, this is said to be highly volatile. Success probability is said to be high. Yes, the sellers are dragging us down. And is this gonna be another win? We are about to find out, ladies and gentlemen. Waiting and waiting patiently. We are almost there. 6 seconds left on the timer. 4 seconds, 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1, and here we go, people. $1,700, and we are cruising high, as you can see, with the help of our AI powered trading board. People were able to trade this account from $37. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different trades, back-to-back wins, 100% track record, and we are heading high, ladies and gentlemen. $1,776 and Tron OTC. That's gonna be our last trade for this session. $1,776 on the line. Let's go ahead and ask our trading move for Tron OTC on 30 seconds, and it is gonna be a buy. Let's go ahead and execute a buy order for this trade, ladies and gentlemen. All right, we're taking this trade on 30 seconds on Tron OTC. Last trade of this session. AI powered trading board predicting this to be a buy on 30 seconds. Volatility level said to be high, and success probability is said to be high as well. Is this gonna be a win? We are hoping so. Last trade to wrap up this session, ladies and gentlemen. So far so good. AI powered trading board has kept a 100% record today. 4 seconds left on the timer. 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1, and here we go, people. Yes, we just hit the $3,410 mark with the help of our AI powered trading board. Let's take a look at our history. We were able to trade this account from $37, and we took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different trades to turn this account from $37 to $3,400 with the help of our AI powered trading board. It has been a good time in the market with you today, ladies and gentlemen. Taking our calculator to subtract the total investment we made today from our $3,410.40 account balance, we're gonna go ahead and subtract $37, which is our starting balance. In total today we made $3,373.4, ladies and gentlemen. AI powered trading board version 2.0, highly recommended if you're a beginner in this market or a professional, to boost your account balance as soon as possible, as short as 20 minutes, as you can see we've done in this market today. Alright, you're Michael Armstrong. I'm gonna be signing out now, but before I do that, I'd like to remind you to subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button below this video. Make sure you like this video as well. Check the description. There's gonna be a link there for you, people. That is a link for you to join our free Telegram channel. There you have access to VIP treatment. You get access to our copy trade service. You get to copy my trade, and then you can have access to artificial intelligence products like the AI powered trading bot we're using today. You'll be able to have access as well, ladies and gentlemen, to many other things like notifications whenever we go for our live broadcast. The link is in the comment section for you as well. Your man Michael Armstrong. I'm gonna be signing out now, ladies and gentlemen, and see you next time. Bye.